Right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Soy Sombunze, as you know, and today we're just going to be brief on some very, very fundamental things in the cryptocurrency space. So, for those of you who do not know, I've been, learning about cryptocurrencies for the past 8 years. When that was my last job. The last job that I had was 8 years ago, and then I ventured into cryptocurrencies, and I've been doing that ever since. And so House of Crypto is the name of the company that we all work for and that we are all part of. So, and those of people who are um, new here are gonna learn as to what basically we do as a company. So the first thing I want us to actually talk about is understanding cryptocurrencies and why it exists. So the first thing you need to know is why this thing called cryptocurrencies. What is the essence of this thing called cryptocurrencies? Because I believe that if we understand that why cryptocurrencies and what is the importance of cryptocurrencies, then you will be able to understand why you need to be part of what's happening in the cryptocurrency dispensation or moment. So cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is meant to operate without central authority like the government or the bank. So from that definition alone, that should tell you that without anyone saying many words that will confuse us and stuff, by definition, cryptocurrency is a digital currency. So the word currency gives us a hint that cryptocurrency is money. Cryptocurrency is a digital money that is designed to operate without central authority like the government or the bank. So when we say it is a digital money or currency, it means that it can do whatever we think money can do. If I can buy goods and services using any other form of currency, I can do the same thing with cryptocurrency, especially if the receiver, on the other hand, allows or accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. So it is a digital currency. The issue is that it's digital, not even an issue. The difference is that it's digital. In other words, there is no print out of cryptocurrency that is physical. It's always digital. It's done over the internet, over smart devices and stuff, stored in crypto wallets and so forth. So it is a digital currency. That's the only difference between fiat currencies, which is the rand and the dollar and the yen and the pound, with cryptocurrencies. That is what sets them apart. They are digital currency. They are designed to operate without central authority. In other words, cryptocurrencies are decentralized in nature. We do not need the middlemen when doing transactions when it comes to cryptocurrencies. They are digital in nature. It is a currency. It is meant to be decentralized by clear and pure definition. So that in on its own does not need us to complicate such a clear thing. There is no need for us or the bank or the government to be part of cryptocurrencies as much as they are now trying to legislate anything, everything. But by definition, they are meant to operate without the central authority. So why does crypto exist? Crypto exists because the founders of cryptocurrency wanted to get rid of what we call centralization and make a currency that is decentralized. What is centralization? For instance, the South African rand is central to South Africa. The American dollar is central to America. The British pound is central in its country. The Chinese yen is central to its country. So that is centralization. In other words, if I'm in South Africa and I take a flight to America, the first thing that I need to do is to change my central currency, which is South African rand, and change it to another central currency of the destination, which is American dollar. So that is what centralization is all about. Cryptocurrency comes and says, no, man, cryptocurrency is decentralized. It is meant to operate without central authority. In other words, if I use crypto in South Africa, I can use crypto in America, in China, everywhere, because it's decentralized. In other words, it is bigger than the banks. It is bigger than the utility of fiat currencies that are issued out by governments and banks. That is the power behind cryptocurrencies. That is the power that is behind cryptocurrencies. So the one thing that I love about cryptocurrency, even in this definition, is the use of protective measures that make it difficult even for cryptocurrencies to be hacked, to be changed, you cannot alter what is in cryptocurrency because of a system that comes with the technology. And that system is called the blockchain technology, which is something we're going to discuss right now. So the use of encryption technology in cryptocurrencies means that cryptocurrencies both function as a currency and as an accounting system. All right. So cryptocurrency and the technology behind it actually means I can use cryptocurrency as a money, as making transactions at the same time as a virtual accounting system. That's the power behind cryptocurrency. So the first ever cryptocurrency that was created is called Bitcoin. It was created in 2009 and it has a limited supply of only 21 million coins since it started. That should tell you that right now, I mean, we are 15 years post the creation of Bitcoin. That should tell you that many coins of Bitcoin are actually in circulation right now. In other words, if you missed Bitcoin when it started, if you want to buy it today, you need a bit of money, which is 1.1 million rands. That's what you will need to buy one single coin of Bitcoin. But in 2009, it was just 17 cents. So that is the power behind these cryptocurrencies. So they're a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency or person-to-person payment system. It holds value over time. I like to emphasize when I talk about it holding value over time. When we say it holds value over time, when Bitcoin was actually created in 2009, in fact, in 2008 and released in 2009, one price of Bitcoin or one coin cost actually 17 cents. This information, guys, does not come from my head. You can actually Google it. You will find these numbers. In 2009, one piece of Bitcoin was 17 cents. In 2024, the same 17 cents or the same token or coin that was 17 cents in 2024, it's actually 1.1 million. So what causes that kind of increase? One, the fact that we mentioned that cryptocurrency supply is limited. When the supply of an asset like Bitcoin is limited, the demand tends to increase. When the demand increases, the price tends to increase. How do we see that the demand is increasing? We are looking at the market cap. How many people are actually investing into that particular asset? And when it comes to billions, I mean, to Bitcoin, it has been trillions of dollars over the years because of the confidence that people have in cryptocurrencies over the past few years. And the mass adoption of cryptocurrency has allowed people to actually be part of cryptocurrency. We've seen businesses even accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. Why? Because they can see the global wave of cryptocurrencies. So right now we are past the stage of thinking, this thing is a bubble, this thing is a scam. There's real businesses that are part of this thing called cryptocurrencies. So I hope that shares a little bit of light to say that, no, man, I have been, thinking about the wrong things all this time and missing the point when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You are not alone. There's a lot of people who have not invested in cryptocurrencies because they were told by someone that it's a scam. They were told by someone that, no, this thing is not going to work out and that this thing will crash and all of those things. And it's been years back. Imagine if you bought Bitcoin when it was 10,000 rands, but because someone told you that it's a scam, you decided, no, I'm not going to buy this thing. It's a scam. My friend told me. Now the same scam that was 10,000 rands is now 1.1 million rands. So you can now know that, you were missed apart. But the question is, am I too late? Am I too late? If Bitcoin is 1.1 million, what is the solution? That is something we're going to be talking about right now. So I've been sharing a lot about what this bull run is, what to expect in this bull run. But first, we have to talk about um, what is it that we call this bull run? What actually happens in this bull run? Because if we do not get that kind of information, then we won't know exactly what we are talking about when we are speaking about this bull run. So what is this bull run that Soiso has been talking about? Soiso has been telling us about this bull run, and and I want to be part of this bull run. I just don't know what to start. I don't know what to expect. So there's previous videos that I've recorded where I was dealing particularly with this issue of the bull run. So even this information, guys, I'm not taking it from my head. It is, go to Google, you will find the same thing. I just decided to put some points ahead so that we can summarize it. So a crypto bull run refers to an extended period where cryptocurrency prices rise substantially relative to previous ranges. Now, let us digest that for a minute. A crypto bull run refers to an extended period of time where cryptocurrency prices rise. So when we're speaking about a bull run, we're speaking about the prices of cryptocurrencies actually going up. We're speaking about the prices of cryptocurrencies being in a bullish season or a bullish period. When we speak about bullish period in the crypto space, we are speaking about prices going up. And then when we're speaking about bearish, it means the market is it's a bear market. It means the prices are going down. So in a crypto bull run, you notice that a lot of cryptocurrencies that have got a strong blockchain are actually going up, following still the same Bitcoin protocol, most of them, and they are going up in the crypto bull run. Now, from this definition, we also learn that if there was ever another bull run, the following bull run will actually surpass the previous bull run in terms of its prices. By definition, the prices of this bull run must rise substantially relative to previous bull run prices or range. So that should tell you if the growth potential of the bull run market in the previous bull run was 2000%, and as an example, the following bull run must surpass that 2000% because by definition, a crypto bull run refers to an extended period where cryptocurrency prices they rise substantially relative to previous ranges. What characterizes that? What informs this bull run? One, it is the Bitcoin halving. Guys, a Bitcoin halving, if you saw when we defined Bitcoin, we talked about the supply of cryptocurrencies being 21 million. That is the number of cryptocurrency of tokens of Bitcoin that were supplied to the market. So every 4 years, there's a decreased supply of cryptocurrency into the market. So for instance, in the first Bitcoin halving, there was the supply was cut into half. In the next one, the supply was cut into half. In the third one, the supply of cryptocurrency into the market was cut into half. When that happens, every after Bitcoin halving, there's a bull run. Every after halving, there's a bull run. Why is there a bull run after the halving? Because I told you when there is decreased supply, there is increased demand, which results into increased price. Why is the price going up after the Bitcoin halving? It is because when the supply is cut into half, then there is increased demand because that which is supplied to the market is limited. It means you cannot just go around and pick it everywhere. So the demand is cut. I mean, the demand increases due to the supply that becomes limited. And when that happens, then you see the demand increasing, then you see the price of that particular asset also going up. So that is exactly what happens. Let me give you an example. If you notice in December, the demand for ice, I've seen people running around like headless chicken looking for the plastic of ice. Yeah, I think it's 25 rands or something. All right. 25 rands or something, or even less. But you'll notice you go to this garage, they've run out of ice. You go to Spa, they're out of ice, and all of that. When that happens, the one who has gotten ice is, because of the limited supply, starts to increase the price. Why is the price going up? Because of the increased demand. A lot of people are looking for ice. They can't find the ice. Limited supply, increasing the demand. When that happens, if I have a machine that produces the ice, I'm going to name my price. So if I say one packet of ice, 1 kg is 45 rands, I'm still going to get customers. If tomorrow, once I get the news that every garage, every retail has run out of ice, I can still say the price of 1 kg of ice is 55 rands. What am I trying to illustrate? When the supply is limited, the demand increases, resulting into an increased price. In the bull run, that happens after the Bitcoin halving. When the supply is cut into half, there is increased demand, which results into the increased price of that particular assets or asset. So it means the economy of cryptocurrency is increasing, is strengthening, and the prices are rising. That's what the bull run is all about. So I picked up some few strategies, and I want to share those strategies with you. And one of those strategies is that identify promising cryptocurrencies. The first one is identify cryptocurrencies that are going to make you money in this bull run. Remember, the topic that I shared with you about tonight's meeting was the required mindset for winning in cryptocurrencies. You need a certain mindset. And so the first thing we do as House of Crypto, as the company, is to identify which cryptocurrencies are going to multiply your money. So if you are here in this bull run, guys, right now, there is no one in the entire world who is speaking about selling of crypto. I've made a withdrawal, I'm withdrawing. Everyone in the entire world is talking about buying. Everyone is buying HOC token. Everyone is buying HOC token. That's the only available coin in the world, by the way. So everyone right now is sacrificing whatever they are sacrificing to buy coins in this bull run. So the first thing is identify promising altcoins. I don't like to use the word promising because of how extensive and intense our research is when it comes to these tokens. That's why wherever you go, there's few people who are going to tell you about the tokens we invest in. Only House of Crypto. If you find them, they are part of House of Crypto or they've heard about our tokens. Why? Because we look for utility tokens. We don't just go into the market and buy every token that's available. We must make sure that that token has got a business that is running behind it. That's number one. So it must be sustained by a business, a working business. For instance, if Sasol can decide today that they are tokenizing their business model and they create a coin called Sasol coin or Sasol token or Sasol cryptocurrency, right? So, in other words, they will have a cryptocurrency that we will buy in the market, but behind the token that we are buying, the crypto that we are investing in, there's a business that's functioning at the back that sustains the business. The token. How do they do that? By making sure that there's a certain percentage of the proceeds that actually come to the token. By the way, that is a requirement when you are creating a utility token. They want to know which business is behind this. Sometimes you even submit bank statements, statements of income, statements of financial position, equity share, and all of those things to prove that there is a real existing business behind this token that you are telling people about. So we identify real businesses that have tokenized their business model and we invest in them. In other words, it's as simple as saying, I'm buying shares into House of Crypto without buying shares into House of Crypto, but I'm buying their token. So by me having their token, and their token is sustained by the proceeds that come from the company, then I'm winning. I have got shares. I have got House of Crypto shares by virtue of buying their token. All right. So number one, we identify which tokens to buy. House of Crypto, PESA, you name them. There's a lot of them in the market, right? The second one, the second strategy for this bull run, ladies and gentlemen, is identify or plan. I like the word plan. Guys, plan. Plan the exit strategy. All right? Plan the exit strategy. How do you plan the exit strategy? All right? How do you plan the exit strategy? Let me give you an illustration. So here is a token. All right? You bought the token, let's say for 10,000 rands. Why am I mentioning a small amount of money? Let's say you bought the token for 50K, 50,000 rands. That's still small, but okay, let's use it. All right? Guys, plan this bull run. Plan. You don't just go and then you think that you are playing lotto. Plan. Plan. All right? So here's 50,000 rands. All right? Here's my 50,000 rands. I'm buying HOC token. This is an example, all right? Guys, I don't mean you need 50,000 rands. You can buy a token for 100 rands, 500, 200, 1,000, 20,000, 1 million, whatever amount. We are not joining a company. We are buying tokens from the market, remember. So I'm just making an example here. You can buy the tokens with the money you have. So this is the plan now. Here's 50,000 rands. It says here, plan the exit strategy to avoid being trapped at the end of the bull run. Okay, honestly, that is what we do as House of Crypto. When these tokens have gone up, we will tell our clients that, guys, this token has reached its maximum potential. Let's take profits. But here is what I always advise. So you buy this token for 50,000 rands. We inform you in our members group that, guys, this token HOC has gone up by 1,000%. Making an example here. It has gone up by 1,000%. We are writing on our members group. Guys, HOC token has gone up by 1,000%. That's what we are talking about. Then you decide, because you have planned, am I taking this 1,000% or am I leaving it? Am I withdrawing 50% here? That means your 50,000 rands is now 500K. That's multiplied by 10 moves. So you have got 500K here. All right? Now, once you have 500K, you decide, okay, you know what? Let me take 300,000 as a withdrawal here. As a withdrawal, I'm taking 300,000. That means from here upwards, you are investing 200,000 rands. That means you have got 200,000 rands that is still at work for you. In other words, should this token again go up and have another 10x, which is another 1,000%, all right, that means now it's 200,000. From here, another 10x, 200,000 is 2 million rands, depending on what you actually took out and left. So plan it that if this token can go up 5 times, what am I doing with that money? If this token goes up 10 times, what am I doing with this money? If this token goes up this percentage, what am I doing when it comes to these profits? We have a serious problem when it comes to this. People just want to consume. They want to take everything. Guys, once you start the journey of investing, you never stop. You are always looking for an opportunity to invest. You are always looking for ways to create and multiply your money. You never stop. You invest today, you invest tomorrow, you invest the other day. Instead of buying your child iPhone 16, you take that money, invest it into a cryptocurrency that has got the potential to do this. Money in the bank don't increase. Money in cryptocurrency can be any percentage up the following day, the following week, the following month. It does not matter. I don't keep money in the bank. Why? Because banks don't keep money in the bank. So I don't want to be the clever one and keep money in the bank. I keep money in cryptocurrencies. Let me just give you an example. Last week, one coin of Cardano was 5 rand something, 5 rand 80 something cents. It went down. Today, the price of Cardano is 7 rand something, and I put money there. You see what I'm talking about? It was 5 rand something, now it's 7 rand something. Actually, I heard it somewhere. Actually, I heard it right now. It's 7 rands, 691. Actually went down. It was 7 rand something just now. So you see, that means my money in crypto actually went up. So I always advise people that 1,000 rands you don't know what to do with, 2,000 rands, 3,000 rands, put it in crypto. It going up by 10%, 20%, 30% is a lot of money that the bank will never even dream of giving it to you. So that is what happens in the bull run. So we identify these tokens and we plan the exit strategy. In other words, we are always in communication as to, guys, what is the percentage increase of a particular token? What do you do with that particular token based on your plans? In other words, always have a plan. Don't allow yourself to be in a position where you are shocked by money. You don't know what to do with it, because if you don't know what to do with it, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna drink all the money and you've got nothing to show for it. So as we had previously illustrated about the decreasing supply, the increased demand, and the increased price. Let's take a look at what's happening in this graph here. If you can check here, here is halving 1, here is halving 2, here is halving 3, and here is halving 4 that happened this year in April. So I want to put it to you. I'm speaking like a lawyer now. I'm putting things to people. You see, in 2011 and to 2013, there was a Bitcoin halving here. That means the supply was cut into half. All right? The supply was cut into half. When that happened, look at the price of the cryptocurrency after the halving. It went up from from $2.54. The price went to $1,000. From $2 to $1,000. That's the power of the bull run. That's the power of the halving. When the supply is cut into half, the price always goes up because of the increased demand. Because there's always most that fear that, yes, I missed it when the supply was higher. I cannot miss it now. Let me buy now because I know there's another halving that's coming. If you check again, there was a halving again. So if you look here, you see that the line is actually going uphill. The line is actually going up. All right. Right now, we are here. We do not know what the bull run will do because the halving was here in April 2024. So after that, we do not know what point will be created by cryptocurrency. But the question is, when that happens, remember by definition, we said a bull run is when the prices go up and they create a range of prices that is relatively higher than the previous one. So you can see that the prices here are higher than different bull run. So our expectation based on the definition and what has happened before is that the price of this, the highest price of this cryptocurrency bull run must be higher than the other ones so that we can take a lot of profit. So the question is, do you have tokens for this bull run? The question is, if you already have these tokens, do you have enough? Have you collected enough? Is it worth everything for you, this kind of investment? If it's not, then that's okay. If it is, I'm going to coach you. I'm going to be with you all this journey that you are starting. And I promise you that And there are people who are starting with our company, and I've seen them on this Zoom call, and I appreciate you for coming and learning as to what is going on with your investment and stuff. So this is exactly what happens here. If you can see, let me make this a little bit bigger. If you can see, this is exactly what happens in the bull run. I'm spending too much time on this bull run, and um, I hope you guys will get the picture there. All right. So look at that now. The same thing that I just showed you now. You see 2011, 2013, the price goes up. Then there's a bear moment, which is exactly right now, where the tokens go down. But during this phase, before the bull run, we start buying tokens, as many tokens as possible. Build a strong portfolio. Why? Because when the bull run hits, it's going to go up with our money. That is how we multiply our money in the cryptocurrency space. We multiply it by buying tokens when they are low. We don't buy when they are high. We buy them when they are low, so that when they go up, they are multiplying our money. So if you think that crypto cannot multiply, cannot make you a millionaire and whatnot, then you are in the wrong group. Here, we know that if I want to change my financial situation, I know that crypto is actually the way to go, because only crypto can multiply your money like this. This is the second bull run. Look at that. It was higher and steeper than the first one. Look at the third one, the previous one. Now we are waiting for this one. This is our patience now, but we are here. We are still buying tokens. So if you are here, you don't have tokens, I want to implore you to make sure you get in touch with our office. They will tell you which tokens to buy. They will tell you how to start with our company and be part of House of Crypto, where you can actually know and buy these tokens and learn everything there is to learn in the crypto space. Guys, I just want to find out, is everyone still following me? Are you with me? Are we still together? Are you understanding? Is this hard? Is this difficult? Are you getting clearer? Is it getting clearer and simpler as I'm explaining it? I want your answers on the chat box. Someone is saying, yes, I'm understanding. Welcome, Nondlela. Someone is saying, we are with you. We are getting there, still following. So far, so good. Response, sure. Loud and clear, clear. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm following. I think I need some coins. You think you should get some coins. You should get those coins. I promise you that. Zukakambe. I like that name, guys. Guys, why have I not met Zukakambe? I like that name. Tabiseng is saying, perfect, super clear. I Kuruli is saying that. All right. Let's continue. Let's continue then. Patience, patience, patience. Yes, honestly, guys, whatever we teach here, I like that you reminded me that investment by nature is medium to long term. I don't want to lie to you and promise you things that are not even possible. Guys, I gave you an illustration of 10,000 and I spoke about 200,000, 2 million and whatnot. That does not happen overnight. There's no microwave and stairs to success. Zukambe, I was involved in a car accident, but I'm fine now. I'm so sorry to hear that. And I'm so happy you are fine now. Welcome back. Welcome back, madam. And I hope everything in you is working and I hope you are 100% recovered. So this is basically how now the setup of the bull run is. And guess what? It happens every 4 years. In other words, if you miss this bull run, the next one will be in 4 years. 7 minus 3, 4. 21 minus 17, 4. 25 minus 21, 4. Every 4 years, there's a halving followed by the bull run. So if you are saying, nah, I'm cool with this one, you know what? I'm going to start my dreams in the next bull run. A lot of people are using cryptocurrency profits as cryptocurrency profits as capitals for their dreams. Because why? Cryptocurrency might not be your dream, but it can fund your dream. Oh, Hey, hey, I'm upgrading the levels now. Cryptocurrency investment might not be your dream, but it can fund your dream because you need capital for your dream. And I'm telling you now, cryptocurrency can be the solution to that. Right. So the next thing that we said we are going to discuss is um, downloading and using a crypto wallet. Guys, we do not use an exchange to keep our investments. We don't use exchanges like Luno, altcoin trader, Binance, and whatnot. We use them. You see, we use them, but they are not for storing money. We use them as the name suggests exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges, the word suggests it's an exchange. I use an exchange to exchange crypto into rands and rands into crypto. Finish. Why do I do that? Why do I need an exchange? Number one, because a cryptocurrency because a cryptocurrency wallet does not have rands and dollars and yen and pound and whatnot. It only has got cryptocurrencies. In other words, I can only withdraw crypto here to an exchange that has got the crypto that I'm withdrawing. Then I can send to my bank account. Same thing when I'm buying tokens and keeping them in the crypto wallet. I can only transfer money from my bank to the exchange where I'm going to change it into crypto and send it for keeping for investment in the wallet, in the crypto wallet. So, yes, so why do you use a crypto wallet? Because it is where I keep my money, because by definition, a crypto wallet refers to a program that allows an investor to store all their money. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the power of your smartphone. You see the smartphone you are using, that is so expensive. Guys, that smartphone is your bank if you know how to use it. Download a crypto wallet, store it in your bank. All these tokens that we are talking about, they actually go to your bank. This is where they go. This is where they go. This is where they go. There, a crypto wallet gets downloaded on your phone. Gets downloaded on your phone, and then it keeps all these tokens. Number two, it allows full control over your private key. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a way of controlling your money. When we speak about control, we're speaking about a free range withdrawal. There is no way or limit we can say don't withdraw after 48 hours or the system is upgrading or whatever. You withdraw when you want to withdraw because you are in control of the crypto wallet. In other words, a crypto wallet is what we call a decentralized exchange. It's decentralized because no government, bank, or even myself has access to a crypto wallet. I have full control. I have full custody of my money. I can send my money to whoever and anytime. Number two, no one knows what you are doing in the crypto wallet. In other words, I only show the bank what I want the bank to see. If my crypto wallet has got 3 million rands, all right, and I want to withdraw 50,000 rands, I simply send 50,000 rands worth of cryptos to an exchange, then I send to my bank, finish and clear. So this is my bank. I have full control of what's happening here. I have full custody of my money. It's downloaded on my phone. How powerful is that? I told you we don't join any companies. We build our crypto portfolios and we're using our smartphones so that we are in control. I mean, today we carry our smartphones everywhere we go. That means we have access to our money everywhere we go. Someone is saying, wow, now I'm getting there. I like that. I like that. So that is the power of a crypto wallet. Now I'm telling you, and I'm telling you for free, download a crypto wallet called MetaMask. Did you hear that? I'm telling you, and I'm telling you for free. Download MetaMask. Also, guys, our office will assist you when you are getting started. Download MetaMask. Number two, download Vespa Wallet. VESPR. Download these two wallets. Other one for all Ethereum and BNB tokens, the other one for all Cardanos and NFTs. So download these two wallets, keep them on your phone. If you need assistance with anything, our office will help you in setting up and protecting your cryptocurrency wallet. Not that you won't need an exchange, but we don't use it to store money or tokens. We use it as an exchange, as the word suggests. Now, what is the role of House of Crypto in all of this? The role of our company in all of this is to actually make sure that you are mentored. We just want to walk with you as you are starting your cryptocurrency journey. So the benefits of this mentorship program goes more or beyond the issue of money. One, in this course, we talk about goal setting and winning mindset. Guys, we need the winning mindset. Why are you investing? How big is your why? I am investing for my family. There's a future that I envision for my children, myself, my family, my business, and all of that. There's a future I want to see. Unfortunately, if there's a future you want to see, you cannot start then to actually prepare for it. You start now. I'm investing in this bull run. My why is big. My why is explained by me. My why is different than yours. There are people here who want to pay off debts. There are people here who want to finish off a car. They are frustrated. They are paying an installment of a car and the insurance and this and that. The tires, the fuel is expensive, this and that. They want to invest and close off that car. There are people here who want to downgrade their house and they are because it's a bond, they can't move. Guys, there's many reasons why people invest. The question is, how big is your why? What are you willing to sacrifice to see that why come into realization? How big is your why? How important is that which you are investing for? My children's education is important. My children's safety is important. My children's growth in a certain way is important. Living a debt-free life is important. We normally joke about the number that calls us, the 011s, the 010s, the 087 numbers that call us demanding us to pay. We normally joke about that, but I can promise you there are people with sleepless nights because everything they have is from debt. How big is your why? Why are you investing? Answer that question and see if anything can be a stumbling block for you to get started. So this course goes beyond just money. I share my experience also. Introduction to cryptocurrency and blockchain, how to create an exchange wallet. So this course will even teach you how to create an exchange wallet, how to deposit money into that exchange and buy the token, creating a crypto wallet. So everything is basically here. So the role of crypto of our company, House of Crypto, is to mentor you, make sure that you know how to do everything that is here by yourself. Why am I saying by yourself? We want to do away with the issue of do it for me leadership. I want someone to do it for me. I want you to do it for yourself. I want you to do it for yourself. Learn how to do it for yourself. That is the power of this mentorship program, which runs for a year, by the way. So whatever you are going to learn, it will be for 1 year. So for instance, on Tuesday next week at 7 o'clock, we have a members meeting. we have a members meeting on Tuesday at 7 o'clock. On Thursday, presentation. Tuesday, members meeting. Because the year is coming to a close and the bull run will hit anytime, we want to have members meetings every Tuesday starting from next week. Every Tuesday starting from next week. So if you want to be part of what we are doing, I want you to just send a text to this number. You can save it as House of Crypto 0655804252. Ask them, how do I get started? They will tell you exactly how to get started, and they will guide you in creating your crypto wallets, your exchange, and making sure that you are part of the group of people who have the same mindset, who have got the same why, we've got the same vision for the future. That is what we do. So our role as House of Crypto is that. So ladies and gentlemen, please just send your name and surname to this number and save it, and make sure you get in touch with our office. They will assist you. We will assist you. If you want to talk to me, let them know I want to speak to so. I want us to have a Zoom meeting and set up my portfolio in a certain way. I will be available for that, but my office is available to assist you. So with that being said, I thank you very much for coming and attending this Zoom session. I will see you on the next one.